Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. It is about 7 something in the morning, and I woke up to this. So it looks like it's finally happening. I might be getting snowed in. It's beautiful. I still got all my Christmas lights, but it looks like we got our, oh yeah, it's coming down big time. Oh my gosh, it was really windy and rainy, so knocked over my Henrietta the hippo. I have to fix that. Hold on. Let's fix her. It was raining pretty hard last night, and then it just started to snow, so there we go. There's my dogs. Merry Christmas, everybody. Early, but here we go. Okay, so it's coming down. There's my car. It's getting quite covered. So this is what it looks like here in Wairika, California. Probably gonna keep the chickens in the heater. I'll give them some food in there because they won't come out in the snow. But that's what it looks like. Have a great day now. Like, share, and subscribe, please. And I'll send you more pictures of a white Christmas.